Good evening all. And here, so this is the Edu Skills. So our mentor is Father Saleen Joseph, as you all know. Father is a Cambridge certified teacher, and he has a unique teaching style. And if you definitely follow the strategies and tips, whatever Father is teaching to us, you can crack the OET and for the aim for the grade A, and it will be help for your future. So here is the learning style. This is I took from the Father's video. So it's a detailed explanation in the Edu Skills YouTube channel. So this is our learning style. The learning is visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. The visual learning, the 30%. And here is one thing. Whenever you are saying with a digit, it always percent. And if we are saying the percentage, which means low percentage, high percentage. So remember, digits with a percent only. So the visual, you are seeing. Now here the live Zoom session, you are seeing the PPT and daily tasks on the main platform or 8:30 discussion. These all are the visual. And for the hearing, 20% from the hearing, auditory, live Zoom session, listening challenge. And here also, say once I prepared my PPT, there was a Edu Skills signature. It was a smile. The PPT has a visual for the smiley face. So you can remember that with the visual and together with the auditory. And the other one is kinesthetic learning style, which means you are participating. That's why we are requesting you to participate in our daily discussion. What are you doing in the daily discussion? First, you will prepare yourself. You'll find out the answer. And if you didn't get the answer, you'll find out the solution, how to, or ask to your friend. Then you prepare yourself. What are the model verbs? What are the connecting to this answer? Then you will record yourself for the discussion. Then what you will do? You will listen again whatever you recorded. So if there is any changes, again you will record. So it will help for your speaking. Then you are explaining to your friends. So that time also you will gain knowledge from yourself and you are listening from others what they say. So participate for our daily discussion. So it will help for you and active on the main platform. And whenever you have time, at least spend for the platform minimum 10 minutes a day. And nothing to lose for that one. You will gain only. This is the brief introduction of the OET. Thank you, everyone. If you have any doubt or anything.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.